People marvel at the image clarity provided by smartphone cameras, yet even the best ones require time to focus and adjust to lighting conditions. Your eyes do this instantly. Vision is the primary source of information about the world, but in reality, we see very little. Only a tiny fraction of your field of view, roughly the size of a thumbnail, possesses high resolution, while the rest of the image is blurred. Every second, your eyes make 3 to 4 rapid, jerky movements, saccades lasting about 50 milliseconds, as they shift from one point to another. During a saccade, the brain shuts off vision, so you do not perceive the chaotic blurring of the image caused by the movement. This means that in total, you spend about 2 hours every day in a state of complete blindness. Light passes through the pupil, refracts through the lens, and projects an inverted image onto the retina. This arrangement is no accident. The human eye contains approximately 120 million rods and 6 million cones, all packed into an area the size of a postage stamp. That is 126 million tiny cells within a single square inch. Your eye is a receiver, a lens through which consciousness interprets reality. Yet, what you see is not objective truth. It is filtered, inverted, and interpreted by the mind. That is why awakening requires you to look beyond what is displayed and see what lies hidden. And now, for the most interesting part. Inside the pineal gland lining its entire inner surface are rods and cones, exactly like those found on the retina of your eye. Do you think that perhaps when people called it the third eye, they knew what they were talking about? Do you really believe an eye must have a cornea, a lens, and all the rest like the vitreous humor found in our ordinary eyes? There is fluid there, but instead of a full retina, there are only rods and cones. So it seems something amazing is happening inside. It is as if a small television were hidden inside your head. You can actually receive both audio signals and video images from it. The video stream is captured by the rods and cones. This is your imagination, the mind's eye. After all, you do possess a retina. Have you noticed that when you visualize something vividly enough, you actually see it? You can close your eyes, yet you continue to see images. Headaches occur only when there's a blockage, when something within you prevents this mechanism from fully opening up. When you achieve full awareness and accept yourself completely, you gain the ability to fully open up. This requires inner work. Your eyes are merely sensors for wavelengths 400 to 700 nanometers, while the color itself is switched on exclusively in the brain's visual cortex. Your eyes do not simply receive light, they absorb it irretrievably, like the most dangerous object in the universe. There is an anatomical and physical resemblance between the pupil and a black hole. The pupil is an opening that absorbs light quanta photons irretrievably. Light falls in and never returns to the outside world. It dies within the eye, only to be reborn as an electromagnetic impulse. Absorbed light vanishes into this singularity. The ancient texts claimed that whatever passes inward through this crossroads undergoes a complete reversal of polarity, and the external becomes internal. You do not live in the world. The world lives within your mind. Ancient texts of the Vedas described the creation of reality. A human being is an embodiment of light, slowed down into the state of dense matter via a formula equivalent to E equals mc. Descriptions of physical practices include focusing the gaze, breath retention, and fixing one's attention on an object to alter its quantum properties.